Hey guys, this week I am going to share with you some meal ideas for the Daniel fast. Now, if you're not familiar with the Daniel fast, it is a spiritually motivated fast where you deprive yourself of unclean foods, you make time for God, and you ask Him for direction for your life. Now, I will leave a website in the description box to answer any questions that you may have about the fast, in addition to the 2 websites I left on my last video. And if you didn't see that video, I will link it below as well. So here, guys, is a typical morning. I will have fruit, nuts, or oatmeal, sometimes all of the above, sometimes just one item. And I will also have black coffee and water. You can also have smoothies on this fast. And I haven't tried them yet, but I will next week. Okay, in the mornings, if I just eat nuts or fruit, I will have skillet potatoes. And here I'm adding mushrooms sauteed with onions, and this will be a brunch for me. And I will also have some fruit on the side. Now, when I eat the potatoes for dinner, I will add spinach and mushrooms with grapes and water. Here I have steamed broccoli, brown rice, and northern white beans. Okay guys, here I am sauteing some onions for cabbage. I have some mushrooms there. There's the cabbage, the stewed tomatoes from a can. I added garlic and lemon juice and some other seasonings. Salt, pepper, garlic, not salt. And then here it is with the sauteed mushrooms and some carrots on the side. Okay, here guys, I am taking the leftover cabbage and carrots and I'm going to make cabbage soup. Here are the ingredients: some mushrooms, celery, canned tomatoes, I'm adding another can, sweet basil, Mrs. Dash, and vegetable stock. I'm also adding some additional vegetables. But first, I'm starting with sauteing the celery and the mushroom just to soften the celery a little bit, and then I'm adding it to the mixture. Then I will put in the broccoli last. I'm adding the Mrs. Dash seasoning mix and give it a good stir and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. I also added some of the low sodium V8 juice. And there it is. Okay, here guys, I am going to show you how I build a rice bowl. I have mushrooms with red, yellow, and green onions sauteed. And I also have sauteed yellow peppers. And then here I have cut up tomatoes with cilantro, lemon juice, lime juice, and then there's a salad mix. That's salad in a bag. You can use whatever greens you like. Okay, so I'm starting here with the brown rice, and next I'm going to add the black kidney beans, okay, there is the mushroom mixture, and I'm using the mushrooms in place of chicken. When I'm not on the fast, I will use chicken or maybe steak. And the tomatoes, I think the tomato mixture with the cilantro really makes the dish pop the flavor. And then the lettuce on the side. You could also use spinach, fresh spinach. And for those of you who like guacamole, you can add guacamole to top it off. I'm not a fan of guacamole, so I added a little bit of the balsamic salad dressing on mine. Okay guys, well thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next week when I share with you some restaurant ideas. Don't forget to subscribe.